Are you hesitant to invest in an electric bike because of its hefty price? Then don't worry, there's a variety of options out there that will surely fit your budget and needs. However, you have to be diligent in checking a really good electric bike because while you're getting a budget electric bike, you might be buying one with superficial features. In this video, we'll show you that not all budget bikes are substandard. Here are the top budget electric bikes. Number 10. GlareWheel Electric Commuter Bike. If you're looking for an easy riding electric bike that carries all the potential of a powerful bike, then this GlareWheel Electric Commuter Bike will surely fit your budget. This bike provides you with a 350-watt motor that can travel up to 15 miles with a top speed of 15 miles per hour. Plus, it comes with a spacious rear cargo for utility, a headlight, and a huge footrest area. It's a serviceable electric bike with a frame made from high-strength aluminum alloy that can endure a maximum load of 265 pounds. Aside from its essential features, this bike also folds, so you won't have to worry about its additional storage space requirement, especially if you have a tiny apartment. Number 9. Ecotric Vortex Speed Cruiser Electric Bike. The Ecotric Vortex Speed Cruiser electric bike has all the cool features of an amazing bike, including a robust 350-watt hub motor that can travel for 16 miles and go as fast as 20 miles per hour, making it an easy ride in the city that will surely cut your travel time to half. Ride easy with its twist throttle and 3 levels of pedal assist that give you all the power to ride effortlessly without intense sweating. In terms of style, this Ecotric Vortex Speed Cruiser electric bike sports a modern mountain bike frame geometry built with high-strength carbon steel. It is equipped with a 7-speed Shimano tourney derailleur system that helps you climb hills more manageably. In essence, this budget electric bike is perfect whether you're using it for daily commute or for recreational activities. You'll surely love this e-bike as it gives you a confident and comfortable ride. Number 8. Greenbike Alpha Speed Folding Electric Bike. This Greenbike Alpha Speed Folding Electric Bike may be small, but it has the best features that you can get from an electric bike. It's powered by a 36-volt battery and features a 250-watt rear hub motor that makes riding within the city smooth. It even works perfectly uphill or in off-roads. The Greenbike Alpha Speed Folding Electric Bike boasts a maximum weight capacity of 250 pounds and a range of 35 miles. The Greenbike Alpha Speed Folding Electric Bike is the best option if you're looking for a practical alternative for daily commuting. It has a compact build that allows you to take it with you wherever and keep it just below your desk or in the trunk of your car. Number 7. Ecotric Folding Fat Tire Electric Bike. If you're looking for an electric bike that offers the perfect combination of compactness, superior performance, affordability, and efficiency, then this Ecotric Folding Fat Tire Electric Bike should be your top choice. The highlight of this bike is its high-powered 500-watt brushless hub motor, which allows you to drive up to 40 miles on a single charge as proven by many customers. In terms of safety, this bike comes with Kenda fat tires for better grip and less skidding, making it the best choice for your off-road adventures. Number 6. Nakto Ranger Electric Mountain Bike. If you're on a tight budget and want to score an electric mountain bike that is suitable for both extreme outdoor adventures and casual long rides, then the Nakto Ranger is exactly what you're looking for. The Nakto Ranger electric mountain bike presents a 350-watt rear hub motor that is more than capable of providing additional assistance and boost to your ride. Its lithium battery has the capacity to travel a range of 22 to 28 miles per single charge. It features a 6-speed Shimano transmission to help you climb steep hills more conveniently. Number 5. Rambo Pursuit Fat Tire Electric Hunting Bike. This Rambo Pursuit electric bike boasts a high-performing electric hunting bike built to withstand the toughest terrain and harshest outdoor conditions. It houses a whopping 750-watt mid-drive motor that gives you a powerful boost in traversing challenging terrain. It also features puncture-resistant Kenda tires, so you won't have to worry about getting a flat tire upon going over sharp-edged rocks. In terms of speed and range, there's nothing to worry about as this bike has a top speed of 19 miles per hour and can travel up to 35 miles on one full charge. Carrying heavy equipment? No problem. This bike can carry a load of up to 300 pounds, so you can rely on it for all kinds of uses. Number 4. Nakto Pony Cargo Electric Bike. Are you looking for an electric bike that not only offers good riding experience but also ultimate functionality? If yes, then this Nakto Pony Cargo electric bike is the perfect choice. For less than $1,000, you can already get this efficient utility bike perfect for your business or personal needs. It boasts a 250-watt motor that allows you to ride smoothly and effortlessly even with heavy load. Like any other electric bike, it has a pedal assist and thumb throttle to make riding easy without you being exhausted. If you need an electric bike that can carry various stuff and packages at all times, then this is a must-have. It features a spacious wide metal cargo rack on the front, perfect for carrying your essentials and bags. At the rear end, you can easily strap larger equipment or boxes. Number 3. Nakto Elegance Cruiser Electric Bike. This Nakto Elegance Cruiser electric bike was designed to provide its riders with superior comfort, so you won't have muscle pains even when you ride this every day. Sounds good? There's even more to love about this bike. It offers a powerful 250-watt brushless hub motor that makes driving easy and effortless, so you won't have to worry about arriving at school or work being all sweaty. This Nakto Elegance Cruiser electric bike has a range of up to 20 miles on a single charge, so you can easily travel without worrying about the battery getting drained anytime. It sports a spacious basket at the front, perfect to secure bag and essentials, and a plush saddle seat for superior comfort. Number 2. Nakto Classic Step-Thru Electric Bike. Are you looking for the best gift for your wife or partner? Then this is surely worth your money. This stylish Nakto Classic Step-Thru electric bike offers the perfect combination of style, affordability, and comfort, which makes it the perfect choice for women. It features a 250-watt brushless motor to give its rider an extra boost in going over rough roads or rugged paths. The Nakto Classic Step-Thru electric bike has a range of 20 miles on a single charge, enough for city riding all day without worrying about its battery life. Its pedal assist and thumb throttle functions will surely give the rider an easy riding experience. The bike has the classic Step-Thru design frame, made perfectly for women in dresses. Number 1. Nakto Skylark Folding Electric Bike. Your dream electric bike just got cheaper. The Nakto Skylark Folding Electric Bike is unbelievable. For just less than $600 you can already take home this cutie. You'll never have any trouble storing and transporting this electric folding bike because it features a gorgeous compact alloy frame that easily folds into half its size and is available in 4 vibrant colors: yellow, black, red, and white. The Nakto Skylark houses a 250-watt rear hub motor that allows you to travel different kinds of trails. With its hefty lithium-ion battery pack, you can cover a distance of up to 25 miles, perfect for everyday commute and leisure. Did you find what you're looking for? We have a lot more budget electric bikes in store for you, so make sure to check our website electricbikeparadise.com or reach us at 800-590-2738 and talk to our sales specialist, available from Monday to Sunday 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.